Hello, this is Mike with SkipperBud's. I'm going to give you a brief tour of the Lowe SS210 21-foot pontoon on its trailer with a spare tire and some steps walking up to the bow. Boat has docking lights and 90 horsepower command thrust Mercury outboard. See if we can give you tandem axle trailer. This boat is in excellent shape. Let's walk around to the other side. And let's take a look inside the boat. Okay, we're inside the 2004 Lowe 180 Trinidad. This is 18-foot pontoon. See, it's got the ski tow bar, 90 horsepower command thrust outboard. That's the upgraded 90, so it's got a bigger gear case, which is excellent for pulling tubes. See, the upholstery is all in great shape. Comes with a removable table. You have the helm here, Bluetooth stereo, phone holder, you got your gauges, toggle switches. Boat's rated for 10 passengers. There's a bimini top, manual bimini top, storage underneath all of the seats. Give us a shout at SkipperBud's. We're happy to help.